If you believe in yourself and just do it by pushing you through... If you believe in yourself... What the heck is wrong?
Kitzu art.
Hi fellow kitzunes, my name is Kitzu. Today I'll be showing you how you can be a VTuber for free, meaning you can be a VTuber with what you currently have. So the only necessary tools will be a good computer that can either stream or create videos with not much issues, and a microphone. Even if you don't have good art skills, what little skill you have can really help you create a VTuber for free, since paying for one can be very expensive. If you believe in yourself and just do it by pushing through your limits, you can be a VTuber for $0. Alright, let's get to the steps on how to do this. First, you'll need some art skills. You'll need a piece of paper, or if you have digital art skills with a tablet or a mouse, feel free to use them. You'll have to create a character design for how your VTuber will look like. And yes, thinking about your design can be hard since the possibilities are limitless. It's okay to be a little lazy because my inspiration didn't have the best design, so I didn't bother to overthink it because your character can change over time as you grow. Just give it your best shot. If you're afraid to sketch, you can download some base illustrations online and draw over them. There's plenty of help on the internet to help you create your very own characters. Now that you have a VTuber design, or character design, or concept art? There's many ways you can call this. It's time to use a program called VRoid. VRoid is free to use, simply just go to Steam and download the program. Once you're in, it can be a bit complicated to start, but there's plenty of tutorials online to help you learn the simple tools available to you and how to combine your art skills to create your VTuber. I would highly suggest you toy with the program and have fun, since that's how I started, with hardly watching any tutorials. It will take some time to finish, but if you're motivated to do this, you will make progress, and you will feel a sense of accomplishment once you're done with this part. And finally, you export your VTuber and start using the VTuber programs available to you for free. There's VMagic Mirror, Bop, VTuber Maker, VDraw, and VCface. I suggest you give them a try and see what works best for you. Each program is unique with their own tools and features. Some will require you to pay for more, but with just the free tools available, it can be enough to get you started. Once you grow, you can pay and try the tools that you couldn't afford. I used to think that I needed an expensive camera to be a VTuber, but after being inspired, I chose to give it a try without one. And it actually works when you find the tools that are right for you. So there you have it. I just explained to you how to be a VTuber for free. I can't wait to see what you come up with, so just give it your best shot. My name is Kitzu and I stream Fridays and Saturdays on Twitch at 8 PM to 10 PM Central Time. My goal is 500 subscribers by the end of this year. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to poke that like and subscribe button. Share with your friends, feel free to follow me in my other social media, and I'll see you all in my next video. Take care of yourselves guys, see you later!